Welcome to Studio 1080 Hollywood, your private getaway in the Hollywood Hills. Unwind on your secluded patio as you gaze out at endless Jetliner vistas over downtown Los Angeles. The views are as legendary as Hollywood itself. This modern studio is thoughtfully designed for comfort, making it the perfect home base for a solo adventure or a romantic getaway. It has all the comforts of home, but with high-end, high-tech amenities that let you know you're staying somewhere special.
But don't take our word for it. Nearly 500 reviews agree that Studio 1080's Hollywood buzz is deserved.
From the moment you walk in, you can see the attention to detail.
Eric's place is the Four Seasons of Airbnb. We had everything we could think of in terms of amenities.
I've stayed in many Airbnbs, and this is by far the best ever.
Close to everything but feels like its own world.
An absolutely incredible space in the Hollywood Hills. This place could not be more magical.
The view was spectacular. Waking up in the morning to that view is something you don't do every day.
I'd like to give Studio 1080 10 stars.
From your hilltop perch in historic Laurel Canyon, you're just minutes away from LA's iconic attractions. But with a place this sweet, you may never want to leave. Ready to live the Hollywood dream? Your escape awaits at Studio 1080 Hollywood.